Hey guys, Calvin here from the Power Team. Hope everybody is doing well today. Just wanted to show you guys something that I found very interesting regarding our withdrawals. And this adds to the traceability and the transparency that the company is giving us. So, this is my dashboard, and I'm just going to go to my finance tab and look at the withdrawal statuses page, right? This is the withdrawal that I did this weekend past, right? And I'm going to click on completed because it has been and I've been paid. And it's going to open up something on blockchain.com where it gives you all the transaction details, right? The hash number, the block ID in which the transaction was. You can even see the total and the fees that were all charged. And you can change this between USD and Bitcoin prices, right? This is some technical details and all the addresses that the transaction passed through. But get this it goes further than this, right? If you click on PDF receipt, generates a receipt for you for the transaction that you requested. Look at this, guys. Everything that you need to know is here. The block ID, the sender, and all the minus fees and everything. And this is verifiable on, I think it's blockchain.com, right? So I'm going to show you that. Check this out. So I can copy this and check this out, right? I'm on blockchain.com and I'm going to go to look up blocks of transactions, right? And I'm going to paste this here and search all blockchains and look at the summary, everything that you need to know and all the amounts and everything. So this is complete transparency, completely traceable. Everything is here, guys. Hope this piques your interest a bit. If you guys want to have a look at it, go into your backend and check it out because I'm completely mind blown. Enjoy, guys.